Hi mga bibi! Good morning! It's too early in the morning and I am already here. Where is here? It's in the airport. I'm going to fly out of UK with my little ones. Yes, two of them is coming with me and we're going to explore Romania. Yes, mga bibi, magpaspalang kami sa Romania. Pupunta kami doon kasi sabi nila maganda daw yung spa doon. So we will just try and I want to experience and to see that beautiful place. We are going to this place called Terme. It's in Bucharest, in Romania. So we're going to try the spa there because everyone was saying that it is so beautiful and affordable and it's nice to relax in there. This is my breakfast. Yan ang aking breakfast. Siyempre, pare-pareho kami ng in-order kasi it sounds masarap.
Final call. Now closing at gate 11. EasyJet, Abflug nach Zürich, Flugnummer 2533, letzter Aufruf. Begeben Sie sich unverzüglich zum Ausgang 11.
This is the hot chocolate that was served not hot. Okay, so I'm still here at the airport waiting. The flight is delayed because it is snowing in Romania. So, wala kaming magawa. Just sit here until the plane will be ready. Hello mga bibi! Andito pa din kami. It is now 8:40 in the morning and we are still here in the airport waiting for the flight. So, yes, delay the flight because there is a heavy snow in Romania. So, I'm just sitting here in the corner and I managed to find a socket. See? Yan. May socket kaya nakapag-charge ako. So, dito muna ako. So, pahinga-pahinga muna kasi ang aga namin nagising. So, idlit-idlit muna. We're here now. We're going up to the plane. Yes, we're taking Wizz Airlines. This is the first time that I'm going to get Alex to come down. I want to wait for her. Where is she? Hi, welcome to Bucharest. Welcome to Bucharest. Hello mga bibi. Welcome to Bucharest mga bibi. Yan. Saan ang ating mga anak? Hiwalay kami kaya naghihintay ako sa kanila. We are stuck in the runway because they are clearing the road or the runway. Look at that. Oh. Medyo tagal na namin dito. There you are. Moving na, moving. The hotel is just 8 minutes away, so we decided that we're just going to walk. We're going to walk. Where langga? Here? Oh, that's the one. Okay. Oh, oh. I need eyeglasses to cover my eyes. Hahanapin pa namin yung aming hotel, but it's only 8 minutes away. So, we don't need to take taxi. Just use your legs. Use your legs. Right. Am I going there? Here. I'm walking here. I think this is the snow. This is the snow. Look at this. Ah, maybe that's the hotel. Let's find out. Ayan ang aming nilalakad. We've been walking. We're looking for the hotel. I think that is the building of the hotel. Tingnan nyo naman yung snow, oh. Yan. Pulang-pula na ang ilong ko. Look at me. Para akong saan ako? Nasa Norway. Na mas makapal ang... Ay! Look at ang shoes ko! Look! Ah! Ah! It's good, it's good. Tignan niyo. Ang lakas ng snow. Ang lakas-lakas ng snow. Yan. Never mind. Mga bibi. We are at Romania. This is Romania. Ang kapal pala ng snow nila dito. Ah. Yan. Malapit na kami sa aming hotel. Yan na yung hotel namin. Only 8 minutes away from the airport. So don't waste your money for the taxi because it's just too near. It's not even 8 minutes. So, let's cross the road. I can cross the road. Thank you. There you are. So, dito na kami. O, ayan na mga bibi. Diyan muna kayo, ha? Dito na kami sa room namin. We are in Hilton. So, Hilton Hotel yung aming tirahan. And, yeah, it can accommodate 3 people. There's a 1 big king bed and then a sofa bed. Pero ang sofa bed nila, ang laki-laki. Halika, papakita ko sa inyo, ha? That is the king bed and that is the sofa bed. Tingnan nyo yung sofa bed. Oh, see? So, we don't need to buy them. Hotel. So we are in Hilton and we got a room that can accommodate 3 people. So we've got 1 king bed here and then 1 sofa bed there. Now actually 2 people can fit as well. So okay na din. I will find out. Hindi naman siya ganun kamahal. Okay lang siya kasi may membership naman ako. So okay lang. Ayan mga bibi, this is where we're going to stay for 3 days. And since this is a thrifty break, we just came here backpacking. So we did not bring our toiletries. And if you stay in this hotel, you don't need to bring your shampoo, shower gel, lotion, and conditioner. Kasi meron na po sila. So, syempre, yung ibang mga necessities na lang na kailangan nyo sa pang-beauty nyo, yun na ang dadalhin nyo. They have towels as well. They've got slippers. So, you don't need to bring anything apart from your clothes. So, bye for now, babies. And please do not forget to keep on watching my video because there's more to be uploaded from Romania. Bye!